Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in today. The Holochain Frictionless Web Bridge is the most significant technological milestone for Holo in early 2026. This infrastructure is the missing link that finally connects the power of peer-to-peer computing with the billions of people using standard web browsers. By removing the need for specialized software, this bridge serves as a monumental step closer to mass adoption, transforming Holochain from a developer-focused framework into a mainstream web engine. Here are the 5 core components that make this possible. Component 1, the resolver, the GPS. When a user types a URL, they are not hitting a central server. The resolver is the first point of contact. It looks at the URL and resolves it to a list of active holoports or edge nodes that are currently hosting that specific app. It ensures the web traffic is distributed across the decentralized network rather than a single point of failure. Component 2, the Chaperon, the security guard in the browser. This is arguably the most important piece for user trust. An invisible iframe that sits inside the user's web browser. It manages the user's private keys and identity. Because it runs in its own secure web zone, the app developer, the UI, never sees your password or your keys. It proves that you can have agent-centric security without needing to install a hardware wallet or a browser extension. Component 3, Envoy, the translator on the host. Once the browser connects to a host, a holoport, it talks to Envoy. Envoy lives on the host's machine. It takes the web-friendly requests from the browser, WebSockets/HTTP, and translates them into zone calls, the native language of Holochain. It bridges the gap between the old web, HTTP, and the new web, P2P, allowing the host to serve data to the user without the user needing to run Holochain themselves. Component 4, the Holo HTTP Gateway, the API port. This is a newer component, often referred to as HC-HTTP-GW, that has seen major updates in 2026. It allows external scripts, legacy websites, or even search engine crawlers to read data from the Holochain DHT using standard RESTful commands. This is what makes Holochain data discoverable. It allows Google to index a P2P social media post, which was previously impossible. Component 5, HoloS and Kitsune 2, the engine and wheels. The bridge is only as good as the system it runs on. HoloS is the custom operating system on holoports, and Kitsune 2 is the high-performance networking stack. In early 2026, these were optimized to handle high concurrency, meaning thousands of web users can hit the bridge simultaneously without the P2P network slowing down. Thank you for tuning in today. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more Holochain news. Until next time, Lithium X.